Kurumirira gucenjia kwa mahinda kuria matuko-ini ma nahau kabere, ciana nyingi ciaheagwo ng'ano ni cucu wao, indi kwa ihinda riri ciana nyingi itigitwo na itari wa kumahe ng'ano ici. Ni kurumirira ithenya riri, library nene ya kaunti-ini ya Mombatha iruguritie tabarira itanyitwo guteithiriria ciana gukorwo igithoma mahinda-ini maria matari mathukuru-ini.
Our aim is just to build a community of readers in Mombasa County and inculcate it from a young age, as young as 6 years and above. We have come up with this initiative to help the community to bring about social change, to empower, to enlighten.
The only way you can be able to improve the reading culture of Mombasa or of the coast in general is by inculcating the reading culture from the young age, from the time that they are children, from the time that they are in their PP1.
Kuringana na Sara Abdi uria wandikite mabuku meri ma ciana, augite ciana igikura na mutugo wa guthomaga ni magukorwo mari andu abata muturire-ini, amu ni maguthie na mbere na kwandanduka kimeciria, aciari magaikirio ritana kuhimbiria tabarira ino.
I believe books can transform us. Not only transforming and entertaining and teaching us, books are also a way to preserve and to pass on our generational knowledge that is existing, our cultures.
So we appeal to any donor or any person who is willing to partner with us. Just go to KICD, which is the government agency that gives approved books to the children. Get the orange books, get the books that are recommended for the children to learn. And then from there now you can develop a working partnership and we see how we can involve the stakeholders.
Oho ni moritio aciari kwaga kuguoyohio ni murimu wa COVID-19, makiuga ciana ni ritigagirirwo ati ni ciarumirira mawatho ma kuhotomia utheremio wa murimu uyu, indi mari na mubango wa gutigirira ciana ni ciathoma nenda-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rituroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.